Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to turn more of your website visitors into loyal customers? In this video, we're going to show you how to optimize your funnel for maximum conversions using GoHighLevel. To optimize your funnel for conversions, start by ensuring you have a clear and compelling offer on every landing page. The key is to grab attention fast. Your headline needs to hit the core pain point or promise a solution in just a few seconds. Next, optimize your calls to action, CTAs. Place them strategically at the top, middle, and bottom of your page. Make sure they're bold, benefit-driven, and easy to spot. Don't forget to build trust. Adding social proof, like testimonials and reviews, reassures visitors that they're making the right choice. Now, here's where the magic happens: automation. With GoHighLevel, you can re-engage leads who didn't convert right away with automated follow-up sequences. Think emails, SMS reminders, even voicemail drops, all designed to warm up cold leads and bring them back into the funnel. Lastly, track everything. With GoHighLevel's powerful analytics, you can measure what's working and refine your funnel at every step to boost those conversions. If you're serious about converting more visitors into loyal customers, now's the time to sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial today and start optimizing your funnel with GoHighLevel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our updates. Thanks for watching.